Hi, welcome back. In this video I am going to implement Bootstrap Navbar component in our website. So till this point we have implemented a dummy layout as displayed on the screen. We have placed some dummy navigation item on the left, and we have some article on the center, and we have Twitter handler on the right. So now I want to place a navigation item on the top. So here I am inside the project responsive website demo in which we are working on. So let's collapse all the elements to get a consolidated view. So here we have head and body. Inside the body we have header, section and footer, and inside the section we have three different columns: left navigation, main content and right navigation. I have just put some comments on each section. So here below the header I want to place my navbar component. So here I am on Bootstrap official website. So here on the Bootstrap component section, just click on the navbar. So here we can see we have Bootstrap navbar. So just copy the code displayed on the screen. So here I have pasted the code of navbar component that I have copied from the Bootstrap official site. So Bootstrap navbar component uses HTML5 nav element. On the nav element we have to define two classes, navbar and navbar default. Inside this nav element we have a container fluid class, means we want to display this navbar on the whole screen. This will take the complete 12 column structure of the Bootstrap. So inside the container fluid class, now we have first section for the mobile devices. So navbar header section contains a toggle button. So on the screen we can see that we have three horizontal line as a toggle button. So here we can see in the code we have three spans having class icon bar. So each of this will display one horizontal line. We also need to provide the target of the element that we want to toggle on the click of this toggle button. So here we have provided the BS example navbar collapse 1. This is the ID of the div that we want to toggle on the click of this button. So second part of the navbar contain three parts. First contain the links, and second contain the form element for search functionality, and rightmost part will contain another links. So as we can see on the screen, we have a brand information on the left, and we have some links and search control, and we have another set of links on the right hand side. So let's save the changes and let's see how it look like. So here on the screen we can see that our navbar is taking the complete width of the viewport, as we have provided a class container fluid. So let's change it to class container instead of the container fluid. So let's define class container on this nav element and refresh the page. So now we have fixed width navbar below our header section. If we reduce the browser size, we can see that our navbar component is converted in a simple horizontal strip and a toggle button on the right. If I click on this toggle button, we have all the links displayed vertical below each other. Currently we have defined the navbar default class on the nav element. We also have navbar inverse class. This will change the color of our navbar element. So now we can see we have black instead of white. So if we scroll the page, we can see that our navbar is also scrolling with the page. So if we want to fix this navbar on the top or on the bottom, so it is also possible in the Bootstrap. So Bootstrap provide two classes, navbar fix bottom and fix top. Navbar fix top class will fix the navbar on the top, and navbar fix bottom will fix the position of the navbar on the bottom of the screen. So let's first try navbar fix top. So let's save the changes and refresh the page. So now we can see we have fixed position of the navbar, and if we scroll our page, the position of navbar is fixed. Even we can see on the mobile devices the position of navbar is fixed on the top. So if we change it to navbar fixed bottom, so the position of navbar will be fixed on the bottom instead of the top. So we can see on the screen we have fixed bottom position of the navbar. So let's change back it to the position top, as we want to keep it on the top. One problem we can see here that our header is hide behind the navbar, so we can fix it by providing a extra top margin on the top. So now we have fixed header on the top, and after that we have our header section and other control after that.